So basically, there is an update in Shippo for workflows. You have to do the basic things as we have done before, like for the installation and the configuration with the API key. And the next move will be moving forward towards the workflows. Just a moment. In the workflows now. So let's just see what is the update. This is the new action that is added now. You can see, like, basically you will not be creating any new order if it is an replacement or stuff like that. So you will be just considering the same order and is it was ordered from the previous customer. So there will be not much complications. Let's have a look. These are the order numbers. So you can choose which one was having issues. So you can just save the action, create some notes with that, and after that you can just add some comments, save this one. Now just test our workflows, run this test, head towards the execution logs, and as you can see, like, it is successfully executed. The notes are read. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.